welcome back to my channel. It's me again, and I did a summer look. Like, I'm rocking this Fenty and I'm like, orange lipstick, but I was like, why not? Like, there's always a first time for everything. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also share my videos. Share my videos, guys.
Record labels telling me to do the regular. So how am I supposed to be spectacular, vernacular? But everybody's doing that. It's like a prostitute. Everybody's doing that. Oh, Lua, oh, you are the reason I am me. See, we dummies that don't understand. No.
my life is gravy. These nightmares keep coming lately. How else do you treat a lady? I go hard when you Mercedes. Just to steal the fucking show. Took her to the president. Just to let the city know. All the shit unnecessary, better stay irrelevant. Just go hard with Louis bag the size of an elephant. Like T-Pain, she chopped and screwed me. Thinking that she up and fooled me. You know Don Jazzy schooled me. Fuck butterflies, now I got a new shawty. I feel the butterflies in my tummy. I used to feel the chills when you hold me. My heart feels like it's racing when you call my name. Now it's all gone. I feel the butterflies in my tummy. I used to feel the chills when you hold me. My heart feels like it's racing when you call my name. Now it's all gone.
So guys, that's the finished look. Yeah, I never wear an orange, I never wear orange lipsticks. Not like I never wear orange lipsticks. Like, this is the first time I'm wearing an orange lipstick. So it's actually the Fenty. So it's the Mademoiselle lipstick in Freckle Fiesta. So that's it. So it's actually the first time I'm like putting on an orange lipstick. And to be honest, I don't mind it. It's a little bit too much for me, but it's summer, right? Yeah, this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click it right there, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And until next time.